Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. Welcome to this new video wherein we'll learn the vocabulary. Wherein we'll learn the vocabulary of chapter number 4. I'm sorry, please bear with my throat today. Chapter number 4, vocabulary. You know the rules, you're aware of it. I'm not going to be sharing this PDF. You'll take the notebooks, open a new page, write today's date, give the heading chapter number 4 and vocabulary. Make two columns, one for French, one for English. So I'll repeat twice. I'll first read the French word, then the English meaning, again the French word, then the English meaning. You'll pause this video or take the screenshots but write it down. और जिनका लर्निंग हो चुका है, you guys also you have to keep this video on play while you do something, while you maybe have a bath or anything else. So, okay, so I hope you guys are ready. Now the first word, agir, to act. Agir, to act. Sauver, to save. Sauver, to save. Lutter, to fight or to struggle. Lutter, to fight or to struggle. Also, these words are color coded. जो verbs है उनको साथ में रखा गया है. Now these the yellow part, this is for global warming और earth related things. उनका vocabulary साथ में रखा गया है. Then again, general things, फिर ये भी general things. Related to doctors or health ये एक साथ रखा है. And these are the expressions. So it is color coded for sequence and for better learning. So let's continue. Lutter, to fight or to struggle. Lutter, to fight or to struggle. Preserve, to preserve. Preserve, to preserve. Résoudre, to resolve. Résoudre, to resolve. Okay. Recycler, to recycle. Recycler, to recycle. Reutiliser, to reuse. Reutiliser, to reuse. S'asseoir, to sit down. S'asseoir, to sit down. S'hydrater, s'hydrater, that is to hydrate oneself. Se passer, to happen or to take place. Se passer, to happen or to take place. Détruire, to destroy. Détruire, to destroy. Augmenter, to increase. Augmenter, to increase. Éviter, to avoid. Éviter, to avoid. Disparaître, to disappear. Disparaître, to disappear. Avoir raison, to be right. Avoir raison, to be right. Gaspiller, to waste. Gaspiller, to waste. Espérer, to hope. Espérer, to hope. Ranger, to tidy or to put away or to arrange, basically. Ranger, to tidy or to put away or to arrange. Nager, to swim. Nager is to swim. Annoncer, to announce. Annoncer, to announce. Lancer, to throw or to launch. Lancer, to throw or to launch. Economiser, to save. Economiser, to save. Now, save in what sense? Save in money or resources. Réussir, to succeed. Réussir, to succeed. Se débarrasser, to get rid of. Se débarrasser, to get rid of. Menacer, to threaten. Menacer, to threaten. S'envoler, to fly away. S'envoler, s'envoler, to fly away. Faire des courses, to go shopping. Faire des courses, to go shopping. It is also known as faire de la shopping. Faire des courses, okay, to go shopping. Permettre, to allow or to permit. Permettre, to allow or to permit. S'arrêter, to stop. S'arrêter, to stop. Gagner, to win or to earn. Gagner, to win or to earn. Jeter, to throw away. Jeter, to throw away. Précéder, to precede. Précéder, to precede. Séparer, to separate. Séparer, to separate. Vendre, to sell. Vendre is to sell. Voler, to fly or to steal. Voler, to fly or to steal. Causer, to cause or to chat. Causer, to cause or to chat. The verb, to have to or टू ओव, ये हमने पहले वाले वीडियो में भी किया था. द वर टू हैव टू और टू ओव, आई ओव यू 100 रुपीज, ऐसा. एंड टू हैव टू मतलब टू बी मस्ट, ऐसा. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट आइडिया, नेक्स्ट थीम. La pollution, pollution. La pollution, pollution. Le manque d'eau, lack of water. Le manque d'eau, lack of water. Le déboisement, deforestation. Le déboisement, deforestation. Le réchauffement, global warming. Le réchauffement, global warming. Le changement climatique, climate change. Le changement climatique, climate change. La planète, the planet. La planète, the planet. Planétaire, planetary. Planétaire, planetary. L'environnement, the environment. L'environnement, the environment. Le gaspillage, waste or wastage. Le gaspillage is waste or wastage. La ressource, resource. La ressource, resource. La mer, the sea. La mer is the sea. L'effet, the effect. L'effet, the effect. Le désert, the desert. Le désert, le desert. L'arbre, the tree. L'arbre, the tree. La terre, the earth. La terre, the earth or the ground. Le déchet, waste or trash. Le déchet, waste or trash. Le try, sorting or recycling. Sorting out the waste, wet and dry garbage, उसको बोलते हैं le try. Sorting or recycling. La poubelle, the trash can, dustbin. La poubelle, the trash can or dustbin. La météo, the weather. La météo, the weather. La chaleur, the heat. La chaleur, the heat. La canicule, heat wave. La canicule, heat wave. Le présentateur or présentatrice, it is the presentator or the news reporter. Okay. La présentateur, presentator, it is presentator or news reporter. Then la nouvelle, the news. Noun form, news, जो टीवी में आती है वो. La nouvelle, the news. Le reportage, the report. Le reportage, the report or the story. Les actualités, the news or current events. Les actualités, the news or current events. La review, the magazine or review. La review, the magazine or review. Le robinet, the tap or faucet. Le robinet, the tap or faucet. Le journal and theme, diary. Le journal and theme, diary. Le frigo, the fridge. Le frigo, the fridge. Le réveil, alarm clock or rise. Le réveil, alarm clock or rise. Rise मतलब noun form of rise. Le tissu, fabric or tissue. Le tissu, fabric or tissue. Le kylo, pebble or stone. Le kylo, pebble or stone. Le bac, बिन और हाई स्कूल एग्जाम. बाक को बिन भी बोल सकते हैं एंड बाखालोरिया का, बाखालोरिया मीन्स हाई स्कूल एग्जाम, सो उसका अब्रीविएशन इज ल बाक. ल मॉर्सो, पीस और बिट. ल मॉर्सो, पीस और बिट. ला गिटार, द गिटार. ला गिटार, द गिटार. ल पासपोर्ट, द पासपोर्ट. ल पासपोर्ट, द पासपोर्ट. मालाद, sick. Malad is sick. Le voisin, the neighbor. Le voisin, the neighbor. L'humanité, humanity. L'humanité, humanity. Le chauffeur, the driver. Le chauffeur, the driver. Le citoyen, the citizen. Le citoyen, the citizen. ONG. ONG मतलब ONG in French means NGO in English. NGO मतलब जो voluntary चलने वाली organizations होती है for good cause of something. Okay. Le médecin, doctor. Le médecin, doctor. Le danger grave. Grave danger or serious danger. Le danger grave, grave danger or serious danger. Le défi, the challenge. Le défi, the challenge. L'avenir, the future. L'avenir, the future. L'avenir is what it is? The future. Le dommage, damage. Le dommage, damage. La dette, debt, la death, debt, la menace, threat, la menace, threat, le mouvement, movement, le mouvement, movement, movement, le souci, concern or worry, le souci, concern or worry, la peur, fear, la peur is fear. Now the expressions. Je pense que means I think that. Je pense que I think that. D'après moi means according to me. D'après moi means according to me. À mon avis, in my opinion. À mon avis, in my opinion. Dedans, inside. Dedans, inside. Dehors, outside. Dehors, outside. Jusqu'à, until. Jusqu'à, until. Il faut, it is necessary. This is the verb falloir. Falloir is the verb which is conjugated only in the ill form. क्योंकि falloir का meaning is it is necessary. So we won't say I am necessary, you are necessary. ऐसे नहीं. It is necessary. So it is conjugated only with il, il. It is necessary. Il faut. And en doit, it is from the verb devoir जो हमने अभी पढ़ा. Devoir means to be necessary or to be must. The phrase en doit means one must. Okay, or we must. I hope you have paused the video whenever needed. You have taken down the notes. Do let me know in the comment section how do you find these videos and what else do you need. Stay tuned for chapter number 5. See you in my next video. Till then, keep studying. Bye bye.